Tip 1. Define your why. You can't always rely on external factors, such as a vacation, to motivate you. Defining your why for exercise will give you a personal or emotional investment in your goals. Tip 2. Goal setting and planning. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals can provide you with a clear sense of direction and purpose in your fitness journey. Tip 3. Always have a backup. Put a just-in-case bag in your car with a change of workout clothes and a pair of shoes. Also, have an alternate workout ready, such as a walking route by work, when plans change. Tip 4. Follow the 3x10 rule. Short on time? No problem. Take a 10-minute walk, 3 times a day. Swap out the evening walk for a few squats, push-ups, and crunches, and you'll have a total body workout. Tip 5. Post-it power. Label sticky notes with positive messages about working out. Plaster them on your alarm clock, bathroom mirror, or computer at work.